starting soon.
I'm just watching those fans start up.
This is not.
It's starting to get darker. It's getting darker.
Wait, it shows what's in. It's in there.
Yeah, no, but just get ready. It's getting darker. Okay, ready? Let's do this. Okay, look at just watch these fans turn on. They turn on really quickly.
Nah. But you just feel the
Get ready for it. It's about to get serious.
It's like 2 seconds.
So this is how dark it's gonna get. So it shouldn't get any darker.
No, this dark.
Yeah, it shouldn't get any darker than this. Those flags will start flying around in a minute. Okay, now it is getting darker. Okay. Okay, so it is getting darker then.
I want out of here.
Then go. The exit's right there.
No, I'm good.
I'm just watching these turbines start up. Woohoo! Oh, okay, now it's getting really dark.
It's over here. With the loaders, brother.
We should go to the igloo. We should really go into the igloo if we want shelter.
Nah.
Nah. They're not starting. Oh my god, you can't even see. Oh, no, that's the flash. I think they've started.
What? No, they haven't.
Those turbines. I think they've started.
No, they haven't. Can't see them spinning. Hasn't started. The wind speed is still 0.
Oh, they're starting.
Oh, yeah, I can see them.
Guys, the turbines are starting.
I can see them.
Ooh. Guys, it's about to get windy in here.
Really? Let's go.
Wait, listen.
Oh, good. Oh,
I'm making a video. Fist bump. Hell yeah. Woo! Woo! Yeah, I found the one. Woo!
How long?
About 5 minutes. Probably less. Oh! Yeah! Woo! Having aggravation. Yeah! Woo! This is getting right loud. I think this is loud as it gets, so it's starting to die down again. Oh my god, I can feel it going up my shorts.
Wait,
Woo! You feel that, boys? Woo! Hey! It's starting to spit ice. Woo! Yeah! Oh my god, it's starting to spit ice. Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh! Okay, let's all huddle together. Guys, let's huddle together. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god, this is going on YouTube. Don't worry, you can't see us. Oh my god, my hand is freezing cold. Oh my god, my hand is freezing cold. Yeah, it's recording. No, I know, right? Time to record. It's freezing cold. Yeah! It's getting louder. Yeah, baby! Do it! That's actually louder than you used to be! Yes! Oh, I used to be actually sitting in the igloo all the time, so...
Why?
I don't know, it's fucking cold, what do you think?
So cold.
I shouldn't have worn shorts today!
I know.
I shouldn't have worn shorts today, my knees are killing me! And my Angus! Look at Angus! Aggie, mate! Woo! Yeah, Aggie! Oh my god, yes! Woo!
I would, but my parents would kill me. I get sick.
Oh my god, it's getting windy!
My house. What's your house?
It's flying down, guys, it's flying down now.
Oh, thank you.
Woo! It's negative 14.7 degrees this wind. Oh no, it's going down. It's negative 13.8 wind. Holy god, that was awesome. It's on the screen. And the wind chill, I did wind chill. That was awesome on that screen.
Oh, there.
Wind chill. Yeah, it's by the door.
Soon it's dying down now.
It's by the door.
Yeah, no,
It's still
Steven,
negative 8 degrees.
Steven, it's dying
Oh
down.
my god, look at those. Look at the turbines.
Oh,
Can't
no,
even see
it's
them.
about. It's
Oh,
listening.
it's lighting up. It's lighting up.
You can actually see us.
I know, right?
Oh, no, it's gone. It's gone now.
That was awesome, guys. That was awesome.
Very cold.
Yeah. My fingers and my ears are burning.
I'm for tea party.
Tea parties.